you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show him who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
What's up, Griswold gang, and welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me today. I'm happy to be here. If you are new to the Strat or new to this particular YouTube channel, guys, we are about to change the way that you guys trade in the market. I promise you. If you haven't done so, go down below, click that subscribe button, and then hit that bell. That bell is the important part. That gives you the notifications for when I send out videos just like this one every single day for free. Guys, this is our top 5 watch list for Lotto Friday, June 24th. Okay, I send these out every Friday. I send out watch lists for you guys every day of the week. I send out weekly swings, monthly swings. I've got over 200 videos for you guys to learn how to trade better in the stock market, okay? Better than what you've ever seen, easier than what you've ever seen. Okay, I show you how to draw broadening formations, how to play double inside bars, outside bars, 3-1 setups, 2-2 reversals, the hashtag 30 and 30 strategy, Sarah Strat Snipers 50% rule. I show you guys how to do all of that, okay? And I do it all for free for you guys, okay? You can go check me out on Twitter. I'm available there as well, at Mr. Clark Griswold. If you guys have questions or comments, feel free to ask. Don't feel shy. Don't be shy. There's no dumb questions. There's no silly questions. If you want, you can private DM me. I will get back to you usually within the same day to help you guys out, okay? Now, in saying that, I love making these videos. I love winning in trades. I love trading the stock market, and I love teaching you guys and showing you guys how to do it for yourselves. In saying that, we should keep this stuff free, and I want to keep this free. I don't want to have to start a Discord and start charging people for joining and monthly subscriptions and yada, yada, yada. I want to keep this free. I want to keep your guys' money in your pockets. So I would ask you, when the ads pop up on this stuff, to watch the little 15, 30-second ads. If it's a little longer, maybe go get a drink, go get a snack. But I ask you to please watch them. That lets the advertisers pay for your free education, okay? That allows them to pay for this, and you guys just get to watch it for free. Okay? Let's keep doing it that way. Okay? That's what I want, and I'm sure that's what you guys want. Okay, I know the ads suck, but it's 15 seconds out of your life. For a lifetime of information that you guys are getting and education, okay? So let's start this off, guys. Off the bat, we have got KR. I called this one out yesterday for this double inside bar. We now have a triple inside bar. 3 inside bars. Guys, if you don't know what an inside bar is and how it works, an inside bar stays within the range of the previous candle. It does not break the high, and it does not break the low. It shows consolidation within the stock. Okay, it's a tightening range. Imagine a spring getting loaded and squished and tightened and coiled. But imagine that happening for three times that. Okay, and that's what we've got here. And we're getting ready for an explosion either up or down. Imagine a jack-in-the-box popping off. That's what these yellow lines are. They're triggers, and we're getting ready to pop off. And is it 100% foolproof? Is it going to happen? I don't know. But probabilities tell us that it is going to happen. So I front run this thing on, I just bought 2 contracts at 31 cents a piece, okay, just for fun. I bought calls. We'll see what happens. Now, don't buy calls just because I did. I just did it for fun, okay? It's $60. It's not a lot of money to me, okay? So I did it just to see what happens and just for fun, okay? The real trading happens in the morning when we actually break one of these triggers to the upside or downside. And we can take calls at 48, 42, and then we mark our targets at the top of the preceding wicks, okay? Like I've done here in green, the next one here, the next one here. And to the downside, we can take puts at 47.39. First target here, second target here through the bottom of this broadening formation again. Okay, we don't really have time frame continuity. If we break to the upside, we have the day and the week, which is what I like to see on a day trade. Okay, the week to turn red, we've got a little bit further to go than that. So that's part of the reason why I just picked a call for today when I bought them before close. Okay, so that's the first play. And guys, these are in no particular order. It's not first through second, first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 to 5, best to worst. They just are what they are. So next we've got a 3-1 setup on Ford. Outside bar followed by an inside bar. Rare pattern and a powerful pattern again. So outside bar breaks the high and the low of the previous candle. It breaks the range of either side. Okay, so we call that a 3-bar in the strat. Then it's followed by an inside bar. We already know what inside bars do. But when it's preceded by a outside bar, it tends to have a reaction similar to that of a inside bar itself, but maybe a little stronger, okay? And they tend to be a little bit more powerful, I guess, if we're looking for a word to use there. So on this 3-1 setup, I'm not going to go back any further than this, but this was a 3-1 setup on Ford in September, and that's how rare they are. You have to go all the way back to September to find one on the daily chart, and we broke through here and hit one target and looks like 2 targets on this thing. So this was a really good trade. And again, nothing's foolproof here. The strat isn't foolproof. It doesn't work all the time. Sometimes the trades reverse on us, and that's why we have to be prepared to cut our losses. Okay, and if you want to go through some trade reviews that I've done, look for the trade review videos. That'll show you where to get out of trades and how to manage them a little bit better if you're struggling with that, okay? So I think I actually have a playlist for trade reviews. You guys can go check those out. Next up, we've got Space, SPCE. Space, same setup, 3-1 setup. We can take calls at 6.54. Puts at $6.19. I put the targets on here for you guys already. You can mark them on your own charts. We have already trended up to the high side, 2 up on the weekly. That's what this pink line is. So if we go to the weekly, we can see we've gone 2 up on the weekly. Okay, so we are already in force to the weekly. We'll see if we can have a little bit of a continuation and stay green with Space tomorrow. Okay, number 4 on the list, Keurig Dr. Pepper. And guys, a lot of these plays that I have on here, the premiums are usually a little lower outside of GameStop that's coming up next. And the spread between the bid and the ask is fairly tight. So that's the way I like to keep those, and that's the ones that I really like to watch when I'm looking for setups. So on Keurig Dr. Pepper, we've got just a single inside bar. So we can take calls at 35.38. We have nice time frame continuity on the day, the week, and the month. We can take puts to the downside at 34.93. That would be against time frame, okay? So I put in targets here and here, and then the target down below I have not put in. We can put that in like so at the bottom of the preceding wicks. There we go. So that is the setup for Keurig Dr. Pepper. And again, we look at inside bars again, and they have a good track record. This one gapped way up. So it was, you could have played that off the gap. We probably would have had a good day. Double inside bar here. This is an example of a double inside bar, just like we are going to show you on GameStop, and it trended down huge. Inside bar, trended down for the win. Okay, we can go here, inside bar, this kind of stayed stagnant. This one dropped for 2 days. This one had a nice run to the top. This one, nice run to the top, and we're hitting targets. Here's another double inside bar with a nice run to the top. Okay, inside bar, nice run to the top through targets. Okay, so probabilities tell us that these trades are popular and strong setups for us to have profitable and winning trades on, okay? I sure do say okay a lot. I do notice that. GME, let's go to GME. It has a double inside bar on GME. Okay, so we can take calls on GME with the full time frame continuity on the day, week, month. I shouldn't say full because the quarterly and yearly are red, but we have time frame continuity on the first 3. Okay, so 143.90 for calls, and then we can mark the targets together if you guys have your charts on your screen. target 1, target 2. Okay, to the downside, target 1, target 2. Again, we are 2 up on the week already. That's what the pink line represents on GameStop. And the premiums are a little higher on GameStop. I think they're around $300 is what you'll be looking at if you want to get in there for one contract. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bonus play PayPal. PayPal has a hammer candle on the daily. We can take calls at $73.99, puts at $71.56. Mark our target. The first target there. I have the second target marked. Whoops, here we go. Second target and first target's marked to the upside. And let's mark these things to the downside. Like so. There you go. 2 targets set up. You can put more on your charts if you like. That is PayPal, guys. Inside bar, hammer candle. Time frame continuity is all down outside of this day, so let's see what happens. We also are on PayPal hovering around this broadening formation, and we have to go way far back to see where it originates from. And we can do that, but it's way back here from these lower lows. Okay, so we're hovering right around there. We'll see what happens with the setups on Lotto Friday. I think that's it, guys. That's the list, 5 plus 1. Make sure you guys are watching this and paying attention. I'll see if I can call out some plays before they happen tomorrow, just like I did today with AMD, okay? Go back and check my Twitter feed. I let you guys know AMD was about to run. It did. 18% profit in less than 15 minutes, and then it went on a run on the 30 and 30, okay? So make sure you guys are following me on Twitter. Subscribe down below. Watch those ads, and we will see you guys on the next one. Good luck on Lotto Friday, guys. I hope you're green, and then have a really great weekend. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.